Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Muvit Lightning Earphone. This is my mom's iPhone and she actually wants a wired earphone. Basically I'm a TWS guy. If you can see, there's two TWS here. My TV has a TWS. I just love TWS, and the pricing is really good in terms of in terms of sound, in terms of the portability that you get with TWS. You just pop it off, it's done. Just put it inside a case, it's done. Just charge it once, it's done. But my mom is like, she's not unable to charge. Sometimes she forgets, but so she wants a wired earphone. Now again, you can definitely get the Apple adapter. That's 3.5mm to lightning port. That's around 500 rupees, and then you can connect a good piece of earphones. But that will, for example, if I get the Mi's or Real Mi's for 600 rupees and then forget the adapter for 500 rupees, so probably it will cost me around 1000 rupees, and at that price you can actually get the Boats TWS, which is really good. We have a video on that on a channel for the same. So I was looking for something cheaper. Now the original Apples are even expensive, so this is kind of a Muvit non-brand name earphone, and this is in-ear. So my mom was actually looking for in-ear design, and you have the lightning port as well. So let's see how does it fare. It comes with 3 months of warranty, and you also get the Paytm voucher of 500 rupees. Just love the product. Write a review. Okay, that's good. So let's quickly unbox the earphone. So I got it for around $5.99, and once I bought it, it's like $5.49. So now you know the right price. It's actually $5.49. So let's quickly unbox this one. Pretty nice small package, but again, it's a really expensive earphone, I would say, for 600 rupees, because you can get Xiaomi's and Realme's at this price and they sound really great. Now I'm not sure about the pricing, and also they come with a 6 months of warranty. This comes with 3 months of warranty, and this was the only earphone in this segment, because again, the good one that I saw was like a brand I don't recognize, but it was like 5,000 rupees. So this is kind of a cheaper alternative. So there you have it. This is the earphones. Pretty basic packaging, I would say. And as you can see, this is short press to increase the volume, and again you have built-in mic, which is really good. You have the pop-up window, connect via iCloud. Okay, that's really cool. Let's try this out. This is white. Now the original Apples is very expensive, for 2000 rupees, but that doesn't come with in-ear. My mom wants in-ear because the non-in-ear ones doesn't fit in her ears. So you have nice lightning cable here. Let me focus a little bit. Amazing. And you have this wired earphone. Let's connect to the iPhone once. This is the Muvit, and it has a nice banner as well. As you can see, it says ergonomic design. You have authentic music experience, but only 3 months of warranty. And you have DAC for inbuilt processing, and compatible with all iPhones and Android. So let's see how does it fare. The original AirPods, 2000 rupees, is really expensive, and you don't get in-ear option in that as well. So let's try this out. Oh, that's nice. So it shows beats. Really? I think it is connecting using the Apple's internal Bluetooth connection, or maybe the accessory chipset they are using. So it says connecting. It takes time. Okay, so it actually shows little lightning, so that's really good, but it's wired as well. So I will just use it for some time. We'll pop in some music, maybe on YouTube Music, and we'll be right back. So guys, initial impressions, they're okay-ish. I mean, to be honest, I didn't like it because they kind of sound like a tunnel. So if you know that if you can get earphones for really cheap, like 200-300 rupees on railway station, that kind of tunneling sound this has. But the only good thing that it comes with lightning connector, and it uses the Apple technology to maybe it's using an API just to toggle that animation you saw and connect it via Bluetooth. So it's actually a wired earphone that speaks to the Apple chip and just exchanges the Bluetooth name or MMID and just connects it. And they say it lightning just to fool you, but it's actually a Bluetooth earphone that connects wired. So that does so one thing is like it won't drain out, but again 3 months of warranty, 600 rupees, not worth it. I would suggest get a connector. OG connector will cost you around 500 to 600 rupees. Get a 600 rupees of Xiaomi's and Realme's. Yeah, it's really expensive, 200 rupees, but I will try to convince to mom for that because the sound quality would be amazing. Now she actually liked this one because she just need to use this for Zoom calls, and for that I think this might satisfy her need, but I will try to convince her to get the Realme's and Xiaomi's with the adapter. But that's it. If you want full review, definitely let me know in comments down below. I highly doubt it would last long because again 3 months of warranty, you can't really expect anymore. But yeah, Amazon has a 7-day replacement, so if I can get, definitely I will try to exchange and convince my mom. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Show if you haven't already. Thank you. Bye bye now.